Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi gym at home. First, let's set the foundation. Finding the right space is crucial. Aim for at least a 6-foot by 6-foot area. Good ventilation and natural light will make your workouts much more enjoyable. Clearing clutter ensures safety and gives you ample room to move freely. This initial setup is key for a successful home fitness journey. Now, let's get creative with equipment. You can easily make dumbbells by filling plastic bottles with sand or concrete, reaching up to 5 kilograms per hand. For a barbell, a sturdy wooden rod with 2 concrete-filled buckets works wonders. Don't forget old tires. They are fantastic for dynamic exercises like tire flips, adding a raw strength element to your routine. Next, we focus on body weight and functional training, which are cornerstones of Desi fitness. Your own body is a powerful tool for exercises like push-ups, squats, and planks. Everyday items, such as a sturdy chair for dips or steps for box jumps, can enhance your routine. Embrace traditional Indian exercises like Dand Bathak for a truly holistic and effective workout. Finally, let's talk about your workout routine and, most importantly, safety. Aim for a balanced routine, hitting all major muscle groups 3 to 4 times a week. Always dedicate 5 to 10 minutes to warm up before your workout and cool down afterwards. Remember, proper form is paramount. It prevents injuries and ensures you get the most out of every single repetition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.